Hello, I'm Susan and I am here in my kitchen at Delmar Bed and Breakfast, and I am going to make today firecracker chicken. So first of all I'm going to do my chicken. So I've got some corn flour and I've seasoned it with salt and pepper, and I've coated my chicken with that, and with that I've got a beaten egg. So I'm going to dip my chicken in the beaten egg, and then I'm going to fry it in my frying pan for a couple of minutes. So I've done one batch, so this is my second batch, and while this is cooking excuse me, I will make my sauce. So I'll just dip all my chicken in my corn flour mix. Now the recipe I've got asks for hot sauce, which obviously I haven't got. So good old Google, I've made my own hot sauce. So there's my hot sauce ready, which is a mixture of ketchup, Worcester sauce, cayenne pepper, garlic, sugar. It's got a very good kick to it. So once I've cooked all my chicken, I'm going to put it in an oven-proof dish, and then I'll cover it with my sauce mixture, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and cook for about half an hour. So there's all my chicken in my pan. It's a bit messy but anyway, all in. So while that's cooking, I'm going to mix my sauce up. So my sauce that's going over my chicken is brown sugar, my hot sauce that I've made. It certainly has got a kick, this. It's so strong. Some chilli flakes, which, you know, there's not enough heat, so I'll put a bit more in it. And some apple cider vinegar, but I haven't got apple cider vinegar. So good old Google is white wine vinegar. So give that a good old mix. I've just got a casserole dish, and I've put some oil in the bottom, and I'm just going to put my chicken in my dish, and then I'll cover it with my hot sauce. So there's my chicken, my hot sauce, and we'll put this in the oven for about half an hour. Serve it up with boiled rice and salad onions. Smells good. So here's my firecracker chicken, just come out the oven. Oh, it looks amazing. I've got some boiled rice and some spring onions. I'm going to serve it up now. Delicious. So I've got my boiled rice, and here's my firecracker chicken. Got some spring onion. I'm going to enjoy this. Firecracker chicken.